welcome to TechEQA. In this video, we are going to see about how to do a root cause or how to see the application crash detail in Crashlytics. So, what is Crashlytics in the sense? It will track all your application crashes. So, people can ask like we have ADB, why do we need Crashlytics? So, ADB is for in-house like development. We can see in the ADB logs, but if it is released, if like live users are getting crashes in the real device, for example, the device detail and what is the version they are using. So all this detail, the Crashlytics SDK will fetch and it will show you like where it is exactly crashed with that code level, like we can see. Okay, that's what we are going to see in this video. So we are going to use an application called IronMyTeam. So let me show you a application, as well as in the same application I can show you how can we see the crash logs also. Okay, so here just open my mobile. This is the IronMyTeam. So this application like created to use the people like one who are looking for a job. So this is not just like HR posted the job openings in this app. These are all posted by the employees of the company. For example, 100 MS Inc., the first company. So it's all referral. So when you are applying, it won't go to the HR, it will go to the employees. So employee will refer your profile to the team, like HR team. So HR may get thousands of resume when you are applying through LinkedIn, Naukri and all. But this is like kind of a employee referral, right? So you can like employee will check your profile. If it is fit, they will forward to the HR team, so it will be considered. So that's the purpose this application made. So you can log in here, like see, once you log in, you can see the screen. There is two options. One is like you can just see the job detail and you can apply, for example, DevOps engineer. So these are the skill set, required experience. Okay, you can apply here and like they will get a mail. So the one who employees posted the job here, right, they will get a mail about the job openings. And if you logged in with your corporate email, you can post the job just by entering it. Okay, don't jump into the topic. Okay, let's go to the Android Studio, see how to like we'll create one crash and see in the Crashlytics. So before that, let me show you the Crashlytics dashboard, the history or something like that. This is the Crashlytics. So like 3 crashes, 2 crashes today. So the crash details are here. Let me I'm just opening this, the same crash I have got it already. Okay, so this we can, let me down my file, just close it. Okay, so we have closed. There is no open issues as of now. Okay, now let's go here and I'm going to try to create a crash and see like it will come there and we can just see what are the details, like where it is crashed, which file, these are the details. Okay, so I'm trying to get some null values, check job type dot get text dot posting. Okay, so I'm trying to get text of some null value. This value is not exist actually. So let me build. Okay, so once build is done, like when we are trying to post like empty job, will get a crash because there is no job type value, it's a null actually. Okay, that detail we are going to see in the Crashlytics. So that's simple. Okay, so now let me click on the post job and just submit post. Actually it should check like empty, so please fill all the character, but here we have given a null value, right? It just crashed and restarted. Okay, now in here also, so as we are developing, we can see here the crash logs. Because of Crashlytics, this is like wiped out, the log is gone. Okay, so it is posted in the Crashlytics Android app, some metrics also. Let me show you in the Crashlytics itself. Okay, just restart it, sorry, refresh it. There should be one open now because already last one we have closed it, so it was 5 actually, now it is 6. It is it's in the create job activity on click event. So whole detail we can see it here in create job 129. So the get text on null object reference. So this is exact log. Okay, this you can provide to the dev team or something like that. So this is like to whom it may be required is there are test lead or someone who manage Crashlytics Firebase. So for them it will be easy. This is how we can look. Also the device detail. This is the version and this is the Android version. This is app version 2.0. This is Android version. The device model V2052, which is Vivo, and when it happened 3:33. So if you see the time, today is 3:3. Okay, so keys and logs. Logs may you can in create job activity, main activity to create Splash. So it started with Splash, then it came to main activity 3:16, then 23 we got this log. Like only we just navigated. We can get the steps also a little bit here. Just download the logs also here. Okay, so this is how you can get whole detail about the log. Null pointer exception is the first one. Okay, so now let's just maybe developer, once you share to the developer, they will just fix it. This is the core data they want actually. Here they got null pointer exception. So create job 129, right? So when they are just seeing the Android Studio, create job 129. This for study purpose we have created. So if they see, this is there, but actual value we are not fetching anything for the job type. Okay, so that's why it is. We can fix it and we can build it maybe without source string updated to this one. Okay, so if you want, just build it again. These all might not be required to you, like development stuff. If you are interested, you can explore it, not a big deal. Okay, so this is done. Hire my team, splash screen. So now if you try to post empty value, it should show please fill required detail. Please enter required detail. So now the validation works. So this is how you can see about the logs and all. This is about the application log. So what else we can see here? Just a second. This we got it. Okay, fine. There is a tab called performance. Okay, here you can see app start time. You can just select a metrics, network log, custom, everything. I'll just select a trace name. Oh, you need a trace name. So just recently started. As of now, it just 623 millisecond it takes to start the app. Yesterday it was less. That's why it just says 3% slower than yesterday. Okay. We don't have much detail like app in foreground, app in app start, and app in background 20 second, foreground 2.9. So all this performance stuff you can see in the Crashlytics. All this will work if you integrated the Crashlytics SDK. So maybe if some developer are not using, or if they are using something else, is fine. So if they are using this will be helpful for the app quality, application quality. So overseeing like a test lead or test manager, so you can suggest them to include this. This might increase a bit of application storage size, but still it's worth to do, because we cannot we cannot like ask the real user, please share your log. These are all not possible when you have a lot of downloads or something like that. So better to include this kind of stuff to improve the quality. Like we'll have all the backup, so when you are getting a crash or something for the particular user or particular devices, you will get it here, you can fix it. No need to ask the customer or end users actually. So these two stuff are good for the quality. in the Firebase. There are a lot of stuff in the Firebase. So release and monitor level, we can do this. Test lab and distribution, maybe we can see in the other video. So this might be helpful for you. Also, please explore the application and share the feedback also. Okay, so this will help like two guys, like employees, they will get a referral guys also, and job seeker, like one who are like checking real so like genuine referral jobs. This is the app, you will get it. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you like it.